Hey there, future investors. Imagine the thrill of turning your first $1,000 into something much bigger, a stepping stone for your financial future. Sounds exciting, right? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today, we're diving into how to invest that first $1,000 and make smart moves that can set you up for success. First off, let's talk about the mindset. Investing isn't just putting money into a stock and hoping for the best. It's about having a plan. Think about what you want to achieve. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or maybe even a trip around the world? Having a goal will help guide your investment choices. Now, here's a quick checklist before you dive in. 1. Emergency fund. Make sure you have a small emergency fund. Life hits hard sometimes, car repairs, medical bills, you name it. Aim to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up before you start investing. 2. Debt check. If you have high-interest debt, like credit card debt, focus on paying that off first. The interest you're paying is likely higher than any return you'll see from investments. Got those bases covered? All right, let's get into the fun stuff. How to actually invest that $1,000. 1. Stock market, ETFs and index funds. One of the easiest ways to get started is with exchange-traded funds, ETFs or index funds. These funds allow you to invest in a diversified mix of stocks without having to pick individual companies. Think of them like a basket of stocks that track the market's performance. With platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity, you can start with low fees and minimum investments, perfect for beginners. 2. Robo-advisors. If you prefer a hands-off approach, consider using a robo-advisor. These are automated investment platforms that create and manage a portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. Companies like Betterment or Wealthfront can help you get started with just $1,000. No worry, no hassle. Slots 3. Fractional shares. Have you ever wanted to own a piece of that company you love, but the share price is too high? Fractional shares let you buy a small slice of a stock. Platforms like Robinhood and M1 Finance make this super accessible. You can invest in big names like Amazon or Google without breaking the bank. 4. Bonds. If you're looking for something a bit safer, consider bonds. They're loans you give to a company or government, and in return, you receive interest. While they generally offer lower returns than stocks, they can provide stability to your portfolio. 5. Educational courses or books. Investing isn't just about putting your money into the market. It's also about growing your knowledge. Use a portion of that $1,000 to enroll in a finance or investment course, or buy books on personal finance. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make decisions. 6. Real estate crowdfunding. Ever dreamed of owning real estate? With platforms like Fundrise, you can invest in real estate projects without needing to buy a whole property. This option opens up possibilities you might not have considered before. Remember, the key is to start. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow due to compound interest. And don't forget to keep a watchful eye on your investments. It's a good idea to review them periodically, but avoid checking the market every day. Trust the process. So there you have it, 6 ways to invest that first $1,000. Whether you go for the stock market, bonds, or even educational investments, it's all about making a choice that feels right for you. What's important is to start and keep learning as you go along. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on personal finance and investing. Let's build a financially savvy community together. Until next time, happy investing.